I'm Mark Arntz. I am an Agile expert. I'm also a PMP, which is Project Management Professional with PMI. And so, leading up to that, I had lots of traditional experience, but then got introduced to Agile in the early 2000s and became an Agile advocate and have been kind of enthusiastic about that approach. And so now I teach Agile all over the country and even the world. I've been to Uganda to teach a Agile boot camp in Africa. And so just having a lot of fun teaching Agile. So I have a long list of certifications. They're mostly IC Agile certifications, maybe 7 or so IC Agile certifications. I also am a PMP, Project Management Professional, which gives me the contrast, especially between what I teach is Agile and the PMP is the traditional, more project management. PMI is getting more Agile introduced into their standard culture and approach, but traditionally they've been more from the waterfall side, and the Agile is the contrast to that. And so having both of that, it makes me more qualified to see all of the problems and reconcile them for my students. I'm also a Lean Six Sigma certified person. I got a Lean Six Sigma green belt, and since Agile is built on Lean, that gives me kind of an additional depth of knowledge, not just what is Agile, but where does it come from, is very helpful. Okay, well, so I started out in my 20s as a construction guy and general contractor, and building houses is project management. And so I learned the basics of project management there, and then went on back to school and got a degree and then went into software development and eventually project management and software development. So my early experience fed into that new experience and applying those kind of things. I've worked in consulting a lot, spent 9 years at Keene Incorporated. And of course, in consulting, you go into a business and they want you to help them, but you don't know their business domain. And you want to sell yourself as someone who can help them, so you have to be a quick learner. And so, and it's kind of, fake it until you make it. But that experience of, continually having to fake it until you make it makes it, imperative that you learn very quickly. And that's been very helpful to me in my career, and is also very helpful in my teaching, because I have to learn very quickly from my students right in front of me what their challenges are so that I can provide relevant training to them. I've been in a very strict kind of environment where CMM was the rule of the day. So CMM is Capability Maturity Model, and it's like heavy process and very strict rules and things frequently. And then I've been in a very fast and furious kind of wing it kind of environment where just getting things done very quickly was also the rule of the day. And those contrasts together also help prepare me for teaching Agile better and relating to my students' various spectrum of challenges. To help me understand the topic that I'm teaching, I start off by asking them, what are your success factors? And as I make a list of their success factors, I have that in front of me, and I'm thinking about that as we're going through the material, making sure that I hit the things that they're really interested in so that at the end of the day, they've received the value that they're looking for.